Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and you keep getting this error, fatal D3D error, DXGI error device removed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Resident Evil 9 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So if you have an AMD card, I'll show you that first, and then I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA. Go on to resources and support here, click drivers, click on to graphics, select Radeon RX, select your graphics card series and then model, click submit, download your graphics card drivers. Now I'll show you Intel. You're going to go on to intel.com and then you're going to click on to support here. You're going to go into download center, click graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc P570. You're going to download the latest drivers. I'll show you NVIDIA now. Go on to nvidia.com, click drivers, fill in this manual driver search form, select your operating system, then click find, download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once it's done downloaded, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here regedit, click yes here, and here what you're going to do is you're going to go into HK local machine and then software, and then you're going to scroll down until you find Microsoft, and then you're going to keep scrolling down until you get to Windows here, and then you're going to go into this DWM folder. Here what you're going to do is you're going to right click here, click new, click DWORD 32-bit value, and then write overlay test mode here. Make sure to capitalize O, T and M here, and then double click on it, put in this value here. I'm going to put this value into the description of the video. After that, you're going to click OK, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now if you have an AMD card, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, you're going to click on to performance, and then you're going to click on to tuning, and here you're going to make sure that you don't have any overclocks running on your graphics card, so just set the automatic tuning to default. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to click on to help here, and then you're going to go into debug mode. Make sure to turn it on. Once that's turned on, now you're going to open up Steam, right click on Resident Evil Requiem, click properties, click installed files, and then click verify integrity of game files. Once that's done, now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.